Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn off sound on Metatrader 5. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Metatrader 5 application on your computer. Once the platform loads and you can see your trading dashboard, direct your attention to the top menu bar. Look for the option labeled Tools and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with various settings and configuration options available for your Metatrader 5 platform. From the drop-down menu that appears, locate and click on Options. This is your central hub for customizing how Metatrader 5 behaves, including notifications, audio settings, and other preferences. Clicking this will open a new window where you can access all the detailed settings for your trading platform. Once the Options window opens, you'll notice several tabs at the top. Navigate to the Notifications tab by clicking on it. This section controls all the different ways Metatrader 5 alerts you about trading activity, market movements, and other important events. It's here where you can manage sound notifications and other alert methods. Inside the Notifications tab, you'll see an option that says Enable Push Notifications with a checkbox next to it. This setting controls whether the platform sends you audio alerts and push notifications for various trading events. When this box is checked, Metatrader 5 will actively notify you with sounds and alerts. To turn off the sound notifications, simply uncheck the checkbox next to Enable Push Notifications. By doing this, you're telling the platform to stop sending you audio alerts and push notifications, which will create a quieter trading experience without the constant sound interruptions. Once you've unchecked this option, click the OK button at the bottom of the window to save your changes and close the Options menu. And that's it, you've successfully turned off sound notifications on Metatrader 5, allowing you to trade in peace without audio interruptions. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.